You may have already worked in a research faculty member's lab and you know exactly what you want to research, and that's great. We have state-of-the-art research labs and faculty researching a broad range of topics in psychology that would be happy to mentor you in your research project. However, even if you would come and say, I'm interested in research, I'm interested in statistics, I don't necessarily know what topic I'm interested in because I find everything in psychology interesting. That's fantastic as well. In fact, our program is uniquely designed for all of those possible areas of interest because the field of research is increasingly diversifying. To be admitted into this program, students need to have taken one course in research methods and one course in statistics. Additional courses may be helpful, but they're not required. What would be important, though, is that you're interested in some area of research, that you're passionate, that you're curious about uncovering knowledge, and you want to research some area of human functioning or global world health, and that you want to learn the skills necessary in order to design a study and to analyze data. Your career might take you in an area where you're focused just on one aspect of the research cycle. But having a deep understanding of the end-to-end process of designing studies, analyzing studies, and writing reports will allow you to engage in any point in that research process. What we focus on is working with each student individually to find the research topic, the research lab fit, and the type of project that is going to best meet your educational and your career goals. Often what we find is that process, and through those discussions, we develop individualized project that may or may not be what you were originally thinking when you first started the program. However, they're projects that move each and every student towards their individualized goals, meaning that not every student will have the exact same project. Projects may look very different from one another, but be highly tailored and individualized to each student's professional career goals.